Okay, this is it. The last week of our first ever Time Trial Tuesday. We've been, as a reminder, using the Formula V, doing 12 tracks. It should be over 12 weeks, but we started late, so we had to double up a few times. But now we're on the final week, so you can see on the screen here all my results so far. I've already tried the final track. I'm going to try again just to see if I can beat my time. I'm currently 9th. See if we can get ahead of maybe John, maybe take a couple of tenths off John Davey, and Daniel, he's 4 tenths ahead, so maybe not, but we'll see. Anyway, we'll get on with it, and then we'll see where we've come this week, and then across the whole 12 weeks. See you on the track. Okay, so we're starting from the pit lane, so no opportunity to do the cold tire trick. You may have just noticed I had a bit of stuttering there, and I've just opened up my web pages on another screen, and the stuttering's gone. And I've been noticing this. It'll start stuttering, and then I'll open something else up, and it'll stop. So I don't know what's going on. For now, I'm just happy that it's not stuttering. Anyway, let's just get around this first lap, get warm. So I think we're looking at a 17.4 is what we need to beat of my best time, and ultimately we're looking to beat a 16.977. So we'll see if that happens. But yeah, you get a full warm-up lap, so no chance to use that cold tire trick with this track. Anyway, I'll see you at the start. Okay, coming to the start now. Let's see if we can get a decent run onto the start-finish straight. Let's see what we can do. I did a few races yesterday on this track in this car. That was fun. Got taken out twice, but that's iRacing for you. So I've done quite a few more laps. Whether it's going to help or not, I don't know. Yeah, I've lost a bit of time there. Thing is, we're quite close to the fastest time, so any losses are sort of already in trouble. So I need to close some time back. I can't afford to lose anymore, so we'll see. Okay. Tyres weren't quite ready for that then. Next lap. I think we'll probably only do half a dozen laps because I've already done quite a few around here, so it's not a case of learning the track again. If I'm going to go quicker, I'll go quicker early on, I think. Try again. So I was doing mid-16s in the race, but that was with a slipstream. So it's not quite the same without. Yeah. Can't quite live with him around that corner. I was doing it quite well when racing, so I think there is some time to come there. A little bit closer this time, aren't we? Lost a bit there. Had a slightly better run. .414. That's pretty much what we've already done, isn't it? I think. Don't think it's any quicker. Okay, so he's braking a lot earlier than me there. So we'll do another lap, and I'll try a slightly different approach to that corner. Okay, then we're coming across the line. Let's see if we can try something a little bit different in this first, well, the second corner, I guess it is, isn't it? But yeah, we'll drift around it, shall we? I'll see you at the start of the next lap.
21.595.
Okay. He's going to come past us in a second. Oh, okay. That's not working. I'm going to move my brake balance forward a little bit. And I'll see you at the start of the next lap. Right then, let's see if this can be the one.
25.47.
If I can get this first corner right, that's where all the time is, pretty much. Oh, that was better, wasn't it? That felt better. We're a little bit closer. So nice to have a slipstream. Would make all the difference. Okay, well, we're a bit closer. Let's finish this one off. Oh, we lost a load of time there. Well, let's do another one. Made a right mess of that. Didn't try hard enough on that last corner, did we? Oh, completely dropped the ball there.
.718.
Oh, so close. Okay. One more go. I'll see you on the next lap. I think we had a slightly slower run onto the straight because I went off. So we're already a 10th down. So this isn't going to be a good one, but we'll try this corner again. Hey, too much. Right, had a good run onto the straight. It was actually a good lap, apart from it being having that off track and a bad start. So we're close-ish. I think I could have gotten the power a bit sooner, actually, but it is what it is. See if we can have a better end to the lap than we did last time. We've lost a bit of time. We might be able to close up a little bit on this last corner. Had been doing quite well out of there, but that's not so good. Just not getting it. I think I've reached my plateau.
17.45.
Yeah, just not quite there. So it's all about this first corner. If I can get through there and we're on target, I'll carry on. If not, we'll call it a day.
18.563.
A bit further back, aren't we? We're not really with him. I don't know what they're doing that we're not. Other than they're just a bit quicker. Okay, did we close in a bit there? Maybe. Oh, that's not bad. Actually, this will be our best lap. We've had a good run through that. Yeah, not bad at all. Okay, what's that then?
17.361.
There we go. Gone quicker. Okay, we'll stop there. Quit while we were ahead. Let's have a look at where that puts us. Okay, so where are we then? Let's have a look. Navarra. 7th. So yeah, a little bit quicker. Still didn't quite beat John, did we? Or Daniel. But we've done pretty well, I think. And what I was doing yesterday was looking at all the tracks where I was sort of below 90% on this percentage rank here. And I did a few more laps at a few places and shaved a little bit off on a couple of them. I did, most notably Leaden, and I was at 89%, so I did a little bit better there. And now we can look at where we are overall. So what it does is it adds up all of your times for all 12 tracks and gives you a total time, and we're 7th. So not bad. Pretty happy with that. I mean, that's 7th out of 51 people. So I guess it's not out of thousands, but because not everyone does it. But yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I mean, the guy that came first, look, he's done 327 laps. I've only done 162. So I guess half as many laps as he's had. Look at all the incidents he's had compared to mine. But this guy here, William, he only did 32 laps. I mean, he's just gone on, done a lap or a couple and finished, doesn't he? So he's clearly very quick. So yeah, I'm happy with that. A few of my friends are narrating around me. Let's just have a look at the next page, shall we? Yeah, there's the other John there. So yeah, I'm quite happy with that. I think bit of fun. I'm not sure what we're going to do for Time Trial Tuesday next week because it's week 13 on iRacing, so it's all a bit funny. And I'm not sure what we're going to do for the next time trial. So if you've got any thoughts or suggestions, then do stick it in the comments. Someone has suggested doing there is a weekly time trial you can do where it's a different track every day, but I'm not sure about that. We'll see. But anyway, let me know. And if you enjoyed this and you enjoyed this series, then do please leave a like, leave a comment, hit that notification bell, subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time at the track.